Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add nearby friends on Snapchat in 2025. So if you are at event, a party, school, or just want to connect with people around you, Snapchat makes it super easy to find and add users nearby. Now the nearby feature has gone through a few updates over the years and it is now tied in closely with Snap Map and Quick Adds. So I will guide you through all the current steps, how to make sure that your location settings are correct and how to connect instantly with the people near you. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description of all the resources mentioned in this video. So before anything else, you need to make sure that your Snapchat app has the location access. So in order to get the access to your Snapchat, you just have to simply tap on the Snapchat icon and then you need to tap on this eye icon. Now currently I'm using the Xiaomi device, but in your device it may be different. So you need to tap on the app info section basically, and then you will be landed in your Snapchat apps app info section. Now once you are over here, simply tap on the app permissions option and here you will see location option as not allowed. So you need to tap on location and then tap on the option of allow all the time, or you can even tap on allow only while using the app. So you just have to simply select this option and then you just have to go back of your settings. Now you need to simply launch your Snapchat mobile application, and then by default the camera section will be opened in front of you. So in order to access to the Snap Map, you just have to simply tap on this map type of icon, and once you tap on it you will see this type of map in front of you. Now over here you will see a map with a lot of bitmojis of your friends and others who are publicly sharing their location. If someone nearby has their location visible and they have allowed suggestions, you might see them under people nearby or as a part of quick add suggestions. You can also tap or on the hotspot event ideas to see who is active there, especially useful at public events, concerts and crowded places. As you can see over here that it is showing me one snap, so if I tap on it, it is showing me like this. You will see some others as well, like friends, popular, etc. You can even search for it by tapping on this search icon in the top. Now we are going to use quick adds to actually connect on your Snapchat, and for that you will have to simply come back on your profile icon, and after that you just have to simply tap on your bitmoji icon or your profile icon. Now over here you need to simply scroll down a bit and try to find the option of quick add section. If you are near someone who also has their account discoverable, they will show up here, and you need to simply tap on the add option right next to their profile, and if they accept it you will be able to establish the connection. So here are some of the bonus tips that you need to use before actually sharing your snap code or using the nearby feature. So if the person is next to you physically, you can add them instantly by just opening the Snapchat, tapping on your bitmoji option. Here you will see the show snap code option, so you need to tap on that option, and the other person opens the Snapchat, tap on the camera and scan your QR code to add you instantly. Now this is for the person who is physically there for you. Alternatively, you can scan their codes, you can add them in one tap, and this works great for quick real world connections without actually searching for the usernames. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.